In today's video, I will walk you through how to add user to public group in Salesforce. To begin, move to the top area of the Salesforce screen and locate the gear icon. Select the gear icon to open the available settings options. From the menu that appears, continue by selecting Setup. Salesforce will then open the setup page where account configuration and management settings are available. Once the setup page finishes loading, move to the search bar located on the left side of the screen. In the search field, type Public. As the search results begin to appear, continue by locating the option labeled Public Groups. Select Public Groups to open the Public Group Management section inside Salesforce. After the page loads, Salesforce will display the available public groups connected to the account. In this example, the selected public group currently does not contain any members. To add a user into the public group, continue by selecting the public group you want to edit. After opening the selected group, move to the Members area where users can be added into the group configuration. Inside this section, continue by locating the Users option. Select Users so Salesforce can display the available users connected to the account. After the user list appears, choose the user you want to add into the selected public group. Once the user has been selected, continue by choosing Add. Salesforce will then move the selected user from one side of the screen into the selected members area for the public group. After confirming that the correct user appears in the selected members section, continue by selecting Save. Salesforce will then process the update and apply the new group membership settings. Once the save process finishes, the selected user will become part of the public group inside Salesforce. The updated member list will appear within the public group configuration area after the page reloads. The process includes opening setup from the gear icon, searching for public groups, selecting the group, opening the users section, adding the selected user, and saving the updated group settings. If the page takes a few moments to update during the process, wait for Salesforce to finish loading before continuing to the next screen. Once the save process is completed, the user will remain connected to the public group until the membership settings are changed again. After everything finishes loading, the user will appear in the public group member list inside Salesforce, and the setup process will be completed successfully. Thank you for watching.